Useumqeqeshi uzonikeza iOrlando Pirates iliga emva kwamasizini ayishumi nanye. Sibala amanenjana manje ufikela eNingizimu Afrika waqeqesha kuyilapha ke-Marumo Gallants yamlanda iOrlando Pirates yathi iOrlando Pirates woza ngapha wafika ngapha first season abalandeli baJohn Pepe ulinda u-12 unyuye yini amehla basethe John Pepe phila ngenkosi Khumalo ozoyishaya iPepe yakhe ngekudala yena kuyophila ngenkosi eKhumalo uyishaka kodwa uyishaka nini
yo finally
the first goalkeeper ePhela laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi abe nama-clean sheet awu-21 ulingana namaqembu amabili iqembu le-Orlando Pirates neqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs bakwenzeke konke lokhu collectively. Yena-ke njengonozinti uthi-ke yibo kuqala ukuba benama-clean sheet athi-ke awu-21. Yena-ke uSipho Chena awukhathela bakazithi kwathi sijabulisa igazi lisegazini forever iyilapha ke-Orlando Pirates engakholwa-ke neze afika besuka koBulukwane City o-Apolisa benephupho lokuzophakamisa iligi ne-Orlando Pirates liyafezeka namhlanje iphupho labo-ke ozweni Apolisa akakholwa-ke ngempela yena yothetha umlwana uthi ngempela kwenzekile yebo kwenzekile kwenzeka kanjani na 2 Orlando Pirates iqanda kwi-Open College sizolinda-ke bukeni sibabone-ke ngempela bephakamisa into yabo.
Commentators in all 3 languages. God Vincent Jigogo, he said as well as Reggie Dogo. 2-0 the final score here at the Bovela Stadium, and with that, a result that relegates Open College down to the Boteka Foundation Championship. And for the first time in 9 seasons, we have a team that is not Mamelodi Sundowns as champions of South Africa. They are named Orlando Pirates Football Club for the first time since 2012, Kings of South African football. Now I'm standing alongside a man who stood out more than any other this afternoon, Simphiwe Msilepe. Congratulations on your performance. Before team there. Ningo-champagne le-South Africa, chaza ukuthini lokho kuwena naba badlali laba abathu ungakavuthwa kancane umwabuka. Mina I think ngijabulela i-club ngokusinika opportunity nathi ukuthi sikhule yabo. Yeah, mawuloku ukhula nawe yabo. Ngiyabonga, congratulations, you are champion of South Africa. Ngiyabonga. That is the Simphiwe Silepe. And again, he was extremely emotional. And immediately after the final whistle, immediately as he came towards me, the rest of his teammates came up to him and they embraced him, as you saw just now, as he mentions. Certainly hugely emotional 2 weeks or so for him, because he hadn't featured throughout the course of the season. And then last week, a high-pressure environment, Coach Wadu throws him into the deep end against Durban City, struggles a fair bit. A week later, gives him another opportunity, and 90 minutes later, he is the man of the match in the title clinching game for Orlando Pirates. Quite the storyline for the young Simphiwe Silepe. And as I go on and explain exactly how he might be feeling, I'm wondering how the fans are feeling as well. Certainly was a bit of a pressure cooker heading towards half-time here at the Mbombela Stadium. However, it was an own goal by Nkomo that certainly released a lot of that pressure for Amapagania here in Mpumalanga. And then another own goal early in the second half. They started to sing that indeed they are the champions. I'm still trying to find, of course, the winning coach and his coach, Abdeslam Wadu. You can imagine celebrations are ongoing. Also trying to locate Coach Pokhiso of Orbit College, who again, yes, a lot will be said about the Orlando Pirates in this post-match presentation. However, for Orbit College, it is the end of the road, isn't it? A difficult road, pretty much from start to finish for Orbit College. Couldn't quite keep up with the pace that is required in South Africa's top flight. And as such, they're now headed back to the Motsepe Foundation Championship, where who knows, might try and launch yet another attack in gaining promotion. But for the time being, still waiting for the two coaches, still waiting to hear exactly what they thought of the game, and of course, the fact that Orlando Pirates are champions of the Betway Premiership for the first time since 2012.
unjalo ke mbukeli njengoba ubona ke lapha ke sengene ke ngisho lapha ke uchairman wehla ke ngempela wathi ke ake ngizobongisa lapha ke abadlali bayo lapha ke iOrlando Pirates kusafuneka lapha ke umqeqeshi wayo lapha ke iOrbit College naba ke oMasindi nemtajela kekho bebulambone ikhodola usuba namuzi ikhosuba abadlali ke lapha ke buke bafikile ke ngempela kuyo lapha ke iOrlando Pirates bazofezekisa ke iphupho bazofezekisa ke iplan leOrlando Pirates lokuthi ke nakanjani inqobe lapha ke iligi okuyiligi yabo yeshumi ke ngempela abayo lapha ke iOrlando Pirates mawubheka nje lapha ke kuwo amaligi ke ayo yona ke iOrlando Pirates uzokhumbula lapha ke mbukeli ke iOrlando Pirates ukuthi iwanqobile ke ngempela ke amaligi njoba ke kuyeshumi ke le abayinqoba ke namhlanje la eMbombela abayo lapha ke iOrlando Pirates abalandeli baphumile ke ngempela bazokweseka iqembu leOrlando Pirates baphuma nje ngobuningi kanje ingoba ke kade bephumile nangevikele edlule lapha ke eOrlando Amstel Arena mawubheka lapha ke mbukeli league kusukela ke ngonyaka 1971 Orlando Pirates yayinqoba ke iliga ngo-1971, 1973, 1975, 1976, 1994, 2001, 2001 season, 2002, 2003 season, 2010, 2011 nangaye lapha ke u-2011, 2012 njengoba ke bezokwenza ke eyeshumi kule season. So ke sehlele phansi kuye lapha ke ulwazi sobona ukuthi ke i-handover yalo lapha ke isheke izothi ke ihambe kanjani.
Thank you very much to our commentators once again. And yes, as you heard, the youth, the youngsters, they picked up the DDC title. The senior team picked up the Betway Premiership title, the first side in South Africa's top flight to hold both the senior and the junior titles. That is Orlando Pirates Football Club. The man who's engineered it all is standing right next to me. Coach Abdeslam Wadu, I said to you, I know it's terribly loud. You can imagine just why it's so loud. The fans are happy. You've given them something they haven't tasted in 14 years.
Yeah, I think it's a big moment for Orlando community, for the fans. I think they've been waiting for a long time, 14 years, it's a lot. And I think we have to give credit to our boys today that fight for them, to make them happy. So I have a thought for all the lovers of Pirates in all South Africa. They've been fantastic all the season, supporting us. It was not easy season, you know, but credit has to be given to the boys, to the club. And for me, I'm a happy man. I'm a happy man today to bring the joy to millions of people here. I think they deserve it.
I imagine that own goal just before halftime would have changed your address to your team at the break. Before the own goal, what were you seeing? What was it exactly that you felt maybe was starting to frustrate your team a bit?
I think, you know, if we have to come back to the game, I told you that I have the third youngest team in the PSL. So there is some advantage, but as well you have to accept some weaknesses as well. And these weaknesses can come sometimes by in the mental. So it's why you can see in the first half we were a little bit stressed, in rush. We wanted absolutely to score this first goal instead of managing the game. But after when we scored, I think the team had more calmness on the ball, more composure, and yeah, it was a final, but fantastic. I just want to thank the club. I think I've been honored to be chosen to coach this fantastic club. I give my best. It was not easy every time, but we know that it's the magic of football. I was saying to the people at the beginning of the season, just be patient. People were saying that we drop points, but many teams drop points, and we can see that this point that we dropped, finally it was not a dropping point. It was a good point, and today we bring them the title. I'm happy for the Orlando community.
Take us through in the last couple of weeks, Coach, where it seemed as if Pirates were dropping points and then Sundowns dropping points as well. How were you as a football club able to navigate throughout all of that and emerge as champions of the country?
But, you know, we have to be careful about the fans' vision that want absolutely to win and the technician vision. You know that the PSL is a very hard league. You can see that Dublin last week came to win. In other leagues abroad, for me, you already won the league, but now you can see the integrity of the PSL. Everybody is fighting, you know. And no, I think it was not definitely a point that we dropped. It was just fantastic teams that trying to win points against us, and my boys did very well. So congratulations to the board of the club, congratulations to our fans, and the credit has to be given to the boys, to my staff, technical staff, analyst staff as well, medical staff, and all the people from the club who are working in the shadow. I think it's a big achievement for them, and it's a day that will stay in the memories. With the tribal is something important, and I'm a happy coach.
I'm sure you are, Coach. I'll let you go for now. Perhaps we're going to have a bit more of a comprehensive chat informally after you continue your celebrations. Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you very much.
That is Coach Abisa Moadu, champion of the Betway Premiership, guiding Orlando Pirates to their first title since 2012. And in doing so, Orlando Pirates have relegated Auburn College. Alongside me now, Coach Bukiso Okoye. Coach, thank you very much for your time. How do you see that? It seemed as if for 40, 43, 45 minutes, you were more than able to contend with them today.
I think we had a very good first half until that moment of madness where we considered the corner and we couldn't defend our corner very well there. And it changed the whole halftime talk, because now we thought at least we'll push 45 minutes to give Abu Kote and Roma Bene. Those who are struggling with injuries, so they come and push the game from there. So it changed everything. We came back second half. We considered a man, we again, one man down. And it's fought from there, but I cannot fault the boys. We fought. I think everybody was surprised to give that 9 challenges, but those boys came in and they fought. And it's unfortunate that we considered it's like an own goal from the keeper. It's like we lost from 2 own goals, but I'm happy for the boys and congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Now we brought in the Sweden, it didn't work out. These players came back from injuries. We started collecting points, but it was too late. So unfortunately today, we are playing a team that wanted to rewrite the history. So there was nothing we could do. We fought, but if I had to be relegated like this, with the fight that we gave, I'm happy. And it was a very young team. If you can check in the team that we play, we are preparing for NFD. We knew if we don't win it, we are going straight to NFD. But now at least these boys have experienced this league. Then we can go back with them. We are not going to rebuild. We continue with the team that we have. We give ourselves 3 seasons, then we can come back.
Hard luck today, hard luck for the season, and all the best for the off-season.
Thank you so much.
That is Orbit College coach Mokhiso Makoye saying that because they started so late, basically couldn't really recover, and as a result they've been relegated to the Motsepe Foundation Championship. And now it is going to be that moment where Orlando Pirates Football Club are going to be getting their check. Mpumi Khoza, the director of football at Orlando Pirates Football Club. 20 million rand richer are the Buccaneers. If you take that and you add onto that the titles and the cups that they've won earlier on this season, it has been a profitable 25-26 for Orlando Pirates Football Club. Let me quickly have a chat with Mr. Khoza. Thank you so much for your time. It's the 3rd time this season you got a check after Orlando Pirates have won a cup. I don't though think that the other 2 mean as much as this one to Orlando Pirates Football Club.
I think this has eluded us for 14 years. The chairman already said nobody remembers number 2. We've come very close to winning it a couple of times, and I think there is no better way than doing it the way we did it today.
It started with making a decision to bring someone who was relatively unknown to South African football into the club, Coach Abdeslam Wadu.
I think for us it's more about the system, and I think the system has proved that if we can continue in this way and investing in the youth, we'll be able to derive success both locally and on the continent.
Tell us a bit more then about how Orlando Pirates have done it. 3 seasons in a row you come second, and then a record-breaking campaign for this football club. Here you are, standing as champions for the first time in 14 years.
I think it's a moment where we have to give thanks to the chairman, because through his support and his hard work, I think this is the only way that we could thank him for trusting us and being able to invest in the youth to make sure that we take this brand to the next heights.
They say it's easy to get to the top, it's even more difficult to stay there. A lot of targets will be on Orlando Pirates when the new season starts.
We are fortunate that our DDC also managed to compete this season, so we've got a lot of talent in the club, which allows us to be able to look introspectively and see what we do for the next step.
Mr. Khoza, go on and celebrate. Congratulations, Orlando Pirates Football Club, champions of South Africa once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It is Mpumi Khoza, and as you've heard from him, a lot of credit going to everyone who is involved in making decisions at this football club. They made the decision to, after 3 years of plenty of success as far as cups are concerned, was Jose Rivero. They made the decision to bring in Abdeslam Wadu, and not only did they win the cups that they've won before, but they ended up winning the cup, the Betfred Premiership, for the first time since 2012.
Thanks, Lazi. Let's relive the moments from this game. And after a first half in which Orlando Pirates had struggled to break down a stubborn Orbit, although Mofokeng had struck the outside.
yancenga lapha-ke emnyama kwathiwa ke Orlando Pirates siyanicela yathi emnyama khasi suthi madoda kwathiwa khasi phela nje nihle siyanicela ke madoda nangempela ke bancenga kodwa ke Orlando Pirates ke ifakile ke phela ke ingcindezi kuyo lapha ke Orbit College akuphele nje umbatha efuna ke uyokhomphithela leliya bhola waphazamisa lapha ke uNozinti ilo lapha ke igoli lokuqala nawo lapha ke Orlando Pirates usuke lapha ke igoli lesibili kwazoba uye futhi uNgiba othe waphambasa ke unkomo nalo ke leliya bhola nathi suka lapha ke kuNdaba bedlala ke phela lapha ke Orlando Pirates bencenga nje befuna ukuya lapha ke phambili omunye umuntu ke bezoyitshela ukuthi ke emva kokuthi ke beshaya lapha ke elokuqala bazofuna ke ukuyeka kodwa nansi ke ingcindezi ebifakwa ke ukuthuma kube lapha ke uNgiba asukhwase ekhaya ke futhi umkhonto oNgiba ke ngempela yibo ke abathi baphakela lapha ke yona ke emnyama yasidla ke lapha ke emnyama Orlando Pirates ke bukele inqoba kanjalo ke indebe yawo lapha ke iliga yona ke indodo ke ngempela kade ke beyifuna eside ke isikhathi emva kokuthi ke ngempela ke kwafika lapha ke Jose Ribeiro wenza ke izinto zenzeka amasizini amathathu ke kulandelana kodwa kwasebelandela lapha ke insizwe yaseMorocco Abdeslam Wadu uthi ke namhlanje ngizonikeza lapha ke iliga njoba ke kade ke kaseniyifuna sukela ke nayigcina ke ngesizini ka-2011-2012 uyabanika ke nge-tray uthi nami ke ngifana no-Orbit College nginilethela ke nge-tray ngiyaniguqela ngithi nje ayidle emnyama ngiyayiphakela emnyama soke sibone lapha ke itafula ukuthi ke lime kanjani njobona lapha ke ngempela injabulo ke ibhalwe ebusweni lapha ke kubalandeli injabulo ibhalwe ke ebusweni nabo lapha kabadlali njobona lapha ke Sipho Chaina Slepe asebenzile ke ngempela kule season right choma right feta rele buhile Mofokeng anlwile ke ngempela Makabe ke izinto zibe kanje nansi ke top 8 yakho ushuthi ke season ke mayiqala nje nge-MTN 8 Orlando Pirates izovula lapha ke ne-Durban City Mamelodi Sundowns ivule ke ne-Fulton City Kaizer Chiefs ivule ke ne-Golden Arrows bese kuthi ke amaZulu avule lapha ke ne-Sekhukhune United kuyo lapha ke i-MTN 8 qede lapha ke ku-top 3 Kaizer Chiefs Orlando Pirates nalapha ke Mamelodi Sundowns Orbit College ihambile ke ngempela siyayivalelisa relegated Magesi they live to tell another tale baya lapha ke kuma playoffs yona ke Magesi bawudlala ke nawo lapha ke Cape Town City nawo lapha ke qembu ke lapha ke eThekwini eGagasini ke bangaphazami insizwa eyalibamba ke yena ke uLucky Lekwati kuye lapha ke Orlando Pirates midfield ke mukele bese ngikhohliwe nange Lucky Lekwati owabamba lapha ke i-Double Championship kuye lapha ke Orlando Pirates uthwe madoda i-treble yakugcina ngami Orlando Pirates ngiyanilethela ke nani i-treble ngithi ke ngiyayisusa ke manje emabhandeni ami ngiyiletha ke emabhandeni akhe lapha ke uNkosinathi Sibisi lona ke ibhodlela yona ke indondo le ehamba ke no-20 million wamarandi yona ke indondo ke ehamba ke no-20 million wamarandi indondo yayo lapha ke i-Betway Premiership ezothola lapha ke Orlando Pirates indondo ke lebukele ethe ifika ke ngesizini edlule yaphakanyiswa ke iqembu leMamelodi Sundowns kade uyibona ke ama-defending champions kuze ke kube manje njoba ke kushintsha ke kudla eplatini nange uLucky Lekwati uthi ke kumele ihlale ekhaya uyayigcoba ke ngempela uyayigcoba lapha ke uLucky Lekwati yena ke u-double champion uzophuma lapha ke the CEO uMamato Madlala uNkosinathi Sibisi ke mbukeli njengokapteni ozophakamisa le ndondo yayo lapha ke i-Betway Premiership waye ukapteni weqembu leNamontville Golden Arrows okuyiqembu ke eliphethwe yena ke uMamato uNkosinathi Sibisi wayephakamisa ke indondo lapha ke mazingeni aphansi wazophakamisa ke nendondo yayo lapha ke DStv Diski Challenge yayisabizwa ngayo lapha ke i-multi-choice Diski Challenge njoba ke isiyo lapha ke i-DStv Diski Challenge uzomjabulisa ke uMamato lokho ukubona ke lapha ke uSibisi ezophakamisa ke ngempela uzophuma ke manje abayikhandlile ke isizini yonke basebenza ke isizini yonke bazoholwa uye lapha ke umqeqeshi yena ke u-Abdeslam Wadu ubaholela lapha ke kuzo ke indondo ke zegolide habana lapha ke ucoach Mandla Mfekasi assistant coach Ryan Jacobs goalkeeper coach Siyabonga Mpontshane yibo ke ngempela ke abasebenzile Welditch. Helmin Welditch. Udlaleke enkulu indima ku-Orlando Pirates lokafika. We-conditioning coach. Udlale enkulu indima selokafika ku-Orlando Pirates. They hardly get ama-injury okuthi-ke aserious ngendlela-ke esimanga. Kuba yilabo nalabo nje abadlali ababanjwa-ke ilawo ma-injuries. Uyaba-maintaina kahle-ke ngempela. Coach Abdeslam Wadu uyamhola-ke ngempela-ke ithimba lakhe. Uthi-ke sisebenzile madoda. Salwa bazobafika-ke ekugcineni. Manje-ke siyothatha lapha-ke into yethu. Kusho lapha-ke coach Abdeslam Wadu. Abadlali-ke naba khona-ke nakade-ke bengadlalanga. Jobona-ke lapha-ke othapelo xoki-ke bakhona. Kubadlali-ke kade-ke bengadlalanga. Ngiyawasaba ama-bookmark azolandwa lapha. Kulaba bebethe ngazo uSpisi kanjani angizi. Andizi. Ababethi imagine uSpisi Ntontoni aweqeda bodwa lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana. Oswin Amponisa sebenzile-ke ngempela. Wafika-ke esuka lapha-ke eqenjini lePolokwane City. Yelela Mbuthuma ufike esuka lapha-ke eqenjini leRichards Bay. Kanti-ke lapha-ke mawubheka nje sibilibili ufike-ke ku-Orlando Pirates esuka lapha-ke eqenjini lawo lapha-ke i-TS Galaxy. Undaba ulanjwe lapha-ke ku-Richards Bay. Kwathi-ke lapha-ke Muremi iyona-ke area vaya yalandwa lapha-ke kuwo-ke amaZulu. Nange uFuture-ke ujoyine esuka lapha kuyo-ke Marumo Gallants esurvive-ile-ke lapha-ke Marumo Gallants. Iqede-ke ilapha-ke kunombolo 14. uFuture naye-ke uzojabula efika nje ku-Orlando Pirates ngoba lapha-ke indondo-ke yeliga yena-ke uMpho Chabatsane Asimhle Sigonduka uye lapha-ke u-Andre Dion landwe esuka lapha-ke eqenjini leStellenbosch Astelisa kwathiwa wozala ku-Orlando Pirates. Uyabona ngempela u-Orlando Pirates ibigawula-ke mbukeli ibingayibekile-ke phansi ibilo igawule njalo. Melusi Buthelezi insizwa ngiyaphansi eNquthu kwaNgwetshane umdlalo wokuqala nqa waseNquthu wokunqoba lapha-ke indondo yeliga la eNingizimu Afrika. Umdlalo wokuqala nqa waseNquthu wodlalela-ke iqembu lesizwe iyona-ke iNingizimu Afrika. Dion Hotto uzosondela anike bukeke aba-confused-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Anike aba-confused-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi-ke hawu Dion Hotto ayiqobanga yini iligi neVetse. Wayesasebloemfontein semthika wayima efika eyalapha-ke iBeatlesville. Evidence Makgopa wenza nje Evidence Makgopa shalapha komdanso kanokusho odumeke nendlela esimanga. Nansi-ke lensizwa kembukeni abayibeka amabala-ke kodwa bakayikhonjwa. Athi-ke kanjani nanti imbodlela enentambo mntanami Constantine Sibisi uphakamisa lapha-ke uyafasa udwe madoda ngineyikhwepha nje indondo ngayiqala lapha-ke emazingeni-ke aphansi. Uyajabula-ke ngempela-ke mamato ukhuleleke kula-Montville Golden Arrows uSibisi wanqoba ngisho nayo lapha-ke i-DStv Disc Challenger. Namhlanje uyintokoza-ke ukumbona ezophakamisa lapha-ke indondo ye-Betway Premiership iliga ye-Betway Premiership eqenjini lawo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates. Ilanga-ke lebelidiwe isikhathi-ke lesike ebesidiwe nanti ibhodlela eneyintambo mntanami. Usathathwa lapha-ke isithombe esiphakamisa-ke i-Orlando Pirates. Azosusa lapha-ke ipodium uthi uSpisi ningatatazeli ngisafuna-ke ukushaya ijika. Uthi uSpisi ngisafuna-ke ukushaya ijika bese-ke ngizongena la bese-ke ngisondela la uye lapha-ke uSpisi usondela nayo indondo ye-Betway Premiership ezophakanyiswa i-Orlando Pirates. Zobuka emnyama ngebala emhlophe ngenhliziyo iyaphakamisa i-Orlando Pirates iligi ye-Betway Premiership ka-2025-2026 siyibonga lekebukela i-Orlando Pirates ukuba-ke oshambeyini bayolapha-ke iligi yebhola laseNingizimu Afrika osiyemba basuke lapha-ke basingena phansi benethemba lokuthi-ke leli langa liyofika lesi sikhathi siyofika nangempela sifikile-ke lesi sikhathi wafika-ke lo mzuzu njengoba-ke iphakamisa nje i-Orlando Pirates insizwa yaseMorocco eqhamuke-ke eMorocco yazonikeza-ke i-Orlando Pirates iliga emva kwamasizini ayi-11 Thapelo Xhoki naye-ke one of the senior players kuyelapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates uthi-ke siyabonga amadoda kusetshenziswe-ke isizini yonke omakhekhe makhawula yibo-ke ama-senior players kuyelapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates basebenzile-ke ngempela abalandeli baphumele ngobuningi benza la imbombela bezoyibonela-ke nawabo i-Orlando Pirates iphakamisa lapha-ke iliga sibonge-ke bukethi hlalathi-ke umdlalo wokuqala waze-ke wayophela nazi-ke lezoyikipa zayo lapha-ke iqhula yayo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates yizo-ke lezi-ke iyikipa ebeyilidiwe-ke ngempela Sipho Chaina sebenzile-ke ngempela isizini yonke 21 clean sheets eyedwa-ke njengonozinti kanti-ke bebonke-ke njengeqembu layo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates abalandeli-ke abaphephe njengoba-ke isizini ivalwa kodwa-ke asikushiyi siwu-Supersport sithi-ke sleep can wait ngani ngoba siyalapha-ke kuyo-ke indebe yomhlaba iyona-ke i-FIFA World Cup ezoyiqala lapha-ke ngomhla ka-11 June kuyo lapha-ke u-Supersport sobe-ke sinawe-ke bukeli sikwethulela-ke yonke-ke emidlalo zokwethulela-ke umdlalo-ke ozovula umncintiswano-ke we-World Cup phakathi kwawo lapha-ke i-Mexico nayo lapha-ke iNingizimu Afrika kodwa-ke kusasa mina nawe sizohlangana-ke emidlalweni wemabolo Sundowns we-CAF Champions League the hunt for the second star kuyo lapha-ke imabolo Sundowns okwanamhlanje idlile emnyama iphakeliwe emnyama yaguqelwa emnyama yafakelwa extrayini emnyama yambozelwa ngendwangu emnyama yambozelwa-ke ngetafula emnyama yancengwa emnyama kwathiwa-ke idlababa yasidla-ke emnyama champions zawo lapha-ke i-Betway Premiership ka-2025 2026 iyona-ke i-Orlando Pirates oCameron Johnson abadlali-ke basasebancane ithuba-ke elihle-ke nendlela-ke eyisimanga-ke leli Relebohile Mofokeng uyisebenzele i-Orlando Pirates kungakuhle-ke ukumbona-ke ngempela ewelela-ke phesha kweyilwandle yena-ke uRelebohile Mofokeng kanti-ke uzobona-ke inqwaba yabadlali abasuka lapha-ke ku-development ye-Orlando Pirates ngesizini-ke ezayo bekhuphukela lapha-ke phezulu kuyo lapha-ke i-first team azothatha lapha-ke isithombe sikanokusho azothatha lapha-ke isithombe sikanokusho lapha-ke oDion Honto isithombe-ke lesiyembukeli esizohlala-ke iminyaka ngeminyaka sizoba-ke yiso-ke isikhumbuzo esizobe sibakhumbuza bayo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi-ke nalo amadoda naqoba liphethe lapha-ke coach Abdeslam Wandu incindezi-ke izoba nkulu kakhulu ngoba kulula-ke ukuhlala phezulu mangabe-ke usulwile kodwa-ke kunzima ukulwela ungasuki phezulu yiyo-ke into abazobe-ke beyilwela abayo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates kusukela-ke ngesinezayo ukuya-ke le phambili kanti-ke abanye babadlali be-Orlando Pirates uzobabona khona lapha-ke kuyo indebe yomhlaba kuyo lapha-ke i-FIFA World Cup ukuphumula-ke akukho babodwa-ke basazoqhubeka abanye-ke bazothi-ke baphumule bahlale lapha-ke emakhaya Magesi bazoqhubeka-ke nayo-ke lapha-ke ama-playoffs bese kuthi-ke thina siqhubeke nawo-ke nawo lapha-ke i-FIFA World Cup ijabule-ke lapha-ke embalo-ke ebusweni abadlali bayo lapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates kanti-ke sibukele nabalandeli ababe nalo-ke iqembu kunzima kunjani baba nalo-ke iqembu bakholwa-ke ngempela ekuthenini nakanjani izokwenzeka lento nakanjani-ke sizofika lesi sikhathi nangempela sagcina sifika-ke lesi sikhathi nathi-ke siSupersport siyabonga kakhulu lapha kabalandeli abaseseke-ke isizini iqala yaze-ke iyayokuphela sihlangane-ke sasa-ke bukela emdlalweni wemabolo Sundowns kwayo lapha-ke i-CAF Champions League ake sehlele phansi-ke kulwazi lisegazini forever.
Thank you once again to our commentators. I've got three gentlemen who are part of the new school at Orlando Pirates, the class of 2025-2026 that has taken this football club from challengers to champions. I'm going to start with Oswin Apollos. Oswin, we've had a number of conversations about what it takes to win the Betway Premiership. Come on, please be careful. Go on. We've had a number of conversations about what it takes to win the Betway Premiership. What did it take for this team to go from the disappointment of last weekend to today?
You know, it's all about sacrifice and hard work, you know. And the team did it today, but not just today, you know. I want to congratulate the whole squad, you know. Even the players who understand, they worked hard with us, you know, to be champions today. So I want to say to everyone, the staff, the girls who keep cooking for us, everyone together. I just want to say thank you to everyone.
Kamo, at what stage do you think, as a team, you guys realized it's possible in 20?
To be honest, you know, it's easy from my the party Arinteria, we push as a team go for arena. And the one thing about us, we are united. I think that's why we made it.
And for Eda?
City better study from Spain, Precision, who get us a fool. So we are believing in the match that City, Precision, Kali, they are Matini, Kali, looks believer. The man from a check happy.
Hey, come on, Simili. Also, come. A few more questions just to you specifically, because you've been an integral part of everything good about Orlando Pirates this season. We spoke when you guys won one of the cups earlier on in the campaign. You've now landed the biggest fish in the country. How do you feel about your contribution first and foremost?
You know, first and foremost, you know, I have to give credit, you know, to the team for helping me, you know, and for the club, you know, who signed me at the beginning of the season. I just want to say thank you to the board, thank you for the coach for believing in me, and to my teammates who believed in me, you know, because it's a collective, you know, and we did it together. So I just want to say thank you to everyone, you know. And one more thing, you know, we can't forget them, our fans, you know, they've been hard on us, but it helped us, you know, till today, you know, and we managed to be champions. So I just want to say thank you to the fans in South Africa. You know, there's some who's not here today. We just want to say thank you for their support back home.
I can only imagine those moments where it seems as if the fans are on top of you, and it is very difficult. I can only imagine, as a professional footballer, especially someone that's still very young, what got you guys as a football club through those moments, in especially the last couple of weeks where you guys were dropping points, Sundowns dropping points. What kept you guys focused on the prize?
You know, for us, you know, we knew that we have advantage, you know, and we were a little bit disappointed, you know, in our draw last week, but we know that we are good enough, you know, to overcome and score goals, you know, and that's what the boys did today. And like I said, I just want to give credit to the whole team, you know, for the people who are sitting upstairs, you know, the injured ones, you know, we helped them through the season. I just want to say thank you to everyone.
First time in 14 years this football club is a league champion.
Yes, you know, I think when they signed, I think they signed 11 players, you know, our goal was, you know, to win the league. And today we can all be proud, you know. Thank you, like I said, thank you to the board who trusted us, you know, who signed us. And what can I say more, you know, just happy to be a champion.
Congratulations, go on and celebrate.
Thank you so much.
That's Oswin Apollos, champion indeed, brought to this football club to do exactly what he's done, amongst many other players, as he's mentioned as well, to lead this particular football club past the barrier of being second place finishes and into, indeed, the waters of champions of the Betway Premiership.
abanye-ke babadlali bawulapha-ke i-Orlando Pirates kodwa nkosinathi Sibisi uyelapha-ke umdlali-ke ngempela oluholile leli qembu isizini yonke-ke uyalapha-ke balandeli bakhe uthi-ke balandeli ngiyabonga ibhilifu enibe nayo ngifika-ke ngisuka lapha-ke kulamadville Golden Arrows zokhuluma ukuthi-ke nkosinathi Sibisi-ke mbukeli udevelopment ye-Golden Arrows waye ukapteni first team ye-Golden Arrows ubile ukapteni wafika la Orlando Pirates wafaka ibhande njengoba elifakile nje njengoba-ke eqeda kuphakamisa nje ummele ulwazi uthi wesibisi wozala
Akamuwe.
And spoken because he's having quite the evening with the fans who absolutely love him. He's been making sure throughout the course of particularly that second half that he's imploring them to give them as much support as they possibly can, and that's exactly what they did. Bojela, let me bother you for a bit. Ngiyazi Samnandi, Ngiyazi celebrations are going to go on for a long time. Just try and put into words what this means for you, firstly, and then this team that you've been leading.
You know, I can't really put it into words, you know. You have to take it all in as it comes. It's been a tough, grueling season, you know. And credit to the boys. These boys never gave up, you know. Even when the odds were against us, you know, and there was doubt. But these boys kept on believing, and, you know, I'm very happy that we were able to sit it today.
I can imagine those doubts were extremely loud, particularly after 3 seasons, finishing second behind Mamelodi Sundowns. So then, take us back to pre-season camp. The words that were shared to drive this football club to this particular platform.
You know, it was from the very first goal, you know, we knew we were always second, you know, and we had to close that gap. That was the first step, you know, and for the club to bring in the players that they bought, quality players, to add value to what we've been doing, you know, and credit to the guys who are not with us as well. You know, the guys who are part of us, and, you know, unfortunately they had to leave in January, but this one goes to them. And, you know, the reason I'm sitting here is because these guys never left us, you know, and it means a lot to me.
I can tell just how emotional you're getting when you're speaking about the fans. They haven't made it easy for you guys. There's been some times where they've asked you guys to be more than what you are, more than what you can give. Just how important have they been, really, in driving Orlando Pirates back to the top of South African football?
They've been massive, you know. As a family, you know, there'll always be fights here and there, but it's how we move forward. They never left us, you know. I think 70% of the games that we played in packed stadiums, you know, and credit to them, you know, they spent their hard-earned money to come and watch the boys, and the boys never disappointed.
I want to ask you this as someone who's been there for the past couple of seasons where, yes, trying to push Mamelodi Sundowns all the way, they certainly found a way to break away from you guys late on in the season. How important have they been in, I guess, raising the standard and reminding you guys as well that you guys can be better than you've been in the past 3 seasons?
Yeah, they've been massive, you know, psychologically. Whenever we know going Durban, Cape Town, wherever we go, feel like we're playing at home, you know. And for them, credit for coming out in their numbers. And they've played a massive boost, and it can only go onwards from here.
Coach Abdeslam Wadu.
Yeah, they say the man, the myth, you know, top human being, top coach, you know. It's been a pleasure working with him. You know, he's brought in some elements, you know, which have helped us throughout our game. You can tell the number of clean sheets we've kept and the number of goals we've scored. You know, I think there's been records broken left, right, and center. And, you know, to do it with such a young squad, it speaks volume of this club.
Tell us more about this young squad, because again today, Silepe, man of the match, had a bit of a difficult sort of return last week. A week later, he's the most outstanding player in the game that clinches the title for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, I think, you know, Silepe is an international player, you know, as young as he is, and as young as these boys are, you know, they've been delivering week in, week out. And, you know, to be able to cope in that kind of pressure, to handle the pressure from the supporters, from the media, from everyone, you know, it speaks volumes, and credit to him. What a performance today, you know, and it can only grow from here.
One more question before I let you go. I know you've got some celebration to do. If you look back on the season, I know final whistle was, what, probably half an hour ago? Yeah. Is there one game that stands out for you where you felt as if, you know what, as a team, we definitely have what it takes to be champions again?
Yeah, there's a couple, you know, but I think the one that stood out for me, it was the one in Richards Bay, where the boys didn't give up, you know. We were always coming from behind, and it wasn't the case most of the season where we've always been leading, you know, and to have that character to say the never die attitude and to score that last minute equalizer, I think that point is what pushed us here today.
Fantastic. Go on. Congratulations once again. Celebrate into the night. You are champions of the Betway Premiership.
Thank you very much.
That is Captain Bodela, the captain that has led this pirate ship into the promised land. They are champions of South Africa once again.
uyayizwela ke mbukeli ukuthi-ke isukaphi-ke le nto isuka lapha-ke la kusetshenzwa khona mangabe-ke bengabonakali besebenza-ke ngempela-ke bebhizi bepheka-ke ngempela kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuhambe-ke ekugcineni kuzoba-ke ngale ndlela-ke okungakhona mgqilazi ogqilazi igqile ey'qhimuza awubaqhule emgqilazi uye lapha-ke uSihle Nduli naye-ke usebenzile-ke ngempela walandwa esuka lapha-ke eqenjini laso-ke Steliza yona-ke Stellenbosch yena-ke uSihle Nduli. Uyabona-ke namaflegi-ke amazwe-ke ahlukahlukene uyabona ukuthi-ke ngempela-ke abantu bayixhoma lapha-ke uphaphe-ke lwegwalagwala nangawo-ke amaflegi-ke asemazweni abo. Ngiyafisa-ke sithole lapha-ke insizwa-ke eqophe umlando yaba-ke nama-clean sheet-ke awu-21 yena-ke uSipho Chaina ake sehle-ke selapha-ke kulwazi-ke sibona ukuthi-ke uphethe bani.
Orlando Pirates are champions of South African football once again, and you cannot talk record-breaking in this football club without having a chat with the man standing next to me. He's having a bit too much fun, if you ask me, but hey, who can blame him? He's a Betway Premiership champion, Sipho Chain. 21 clean sheets, just another day in the game for Sipho Chain, really.
From the beginning of time he was gone, and he knew today would come. It's simply grace. I'd really be lying if I said I'm the hardest worker in the room or the hardest worker in the stadium. Yes, we work hard, but he said it before we start. I'd like to thank God for all the way long. I'd like to thank God for when it's tough, when life is life, He's always there. And it's not by myself, it's not how clever I am, but it's just simply grace. It's just simply grace.
And you've handled that conversation with a lot of grace, and I give you plenty of credit for that. You speak about God knowing what was going to happen today. Did you? And I asked this particularly after last weekend and what happened at Orlando. It just seemed as if there was a lot of air that was sucked out of, especially the fans. As players, what were you thinking coming into this week?
As a group, as everyone around, could say around the club, it's the first time we get ourselves in this situation. And nobody knows how to react. You think you're going to Orlando just because you played so well across the whole season and your best performances come in front of your home crowd, and you can't really settle it down and think of a game of football. And in that moment, as a group, it was tough, but you knew how far we've come. You're wrong, 21.
Just correct them, just correct them.
They missed it. And, hey man, last week, it's been a long week. After Saturday, it was a very long week. I felt like the game can be on Monday or Tuesday. Right? Because it plays around in your mind. What if? It's normal. And for us to come to drag it to the last day when you don't know what might happen, but we kept believing in ourselves as a group. We kept believing in my next teammate that we'll get it over the line. It wasn't easy, but here we are today as champions.
We are going to talk about you as an individual. I know you want to avoid that conversation, but we simply have to. You're a record breaker. Last question, as a team then. 3 seasons, you finished second. What has changed? What changed in the space of basically the last 10 months within this football club for you guys to finally ascend to this position?
The badge requires consistency. Orlando Pirates wants to win. when you come second for the third time and you go into the next season, the aim is always to win. The expectation is not going to go down as a club. What those people require from us isn't going to go down because you have a good heart. It's their livelihood. It's everything to them. And for them, today was 14 years. They needed this. They've been with us, and when it's tough, they fight us. It's normal. They have to, because they love this club, and they've done a lot for this club. And to do it for the 4th season is pretty amazing. Amazing.
I can only imagine. One last question then. You have now joined a very special list and select list of Orlando Pirates goalkeepers to win the Betway Premiership. And you've done it in fantastic style, record-breaking style. I know you want to run away from records, but they seem to come to you. How do you try and conceptualize how your season has gone?
Time for time!
Yo, I don't like speaking about this.
I know you don't, but you simply have to. It's the last time we're speaking to you this season, and you're a champion.
I'll probably understand it sometime next week or next month. I can't fathom it right now. And one of the analysts is showing me this past week that in a season I was 66.6666 times that when Orlando Pirates goes on a pitch, you get a clean sheet. That's a big number. That's a big number. And to think of it, I don't want to dwell there. Fantastic season. Maybe I'll talk about it next week. Maybe I'll talk about it sometime. I'd like to thank my teammates. I'd like to thank the goalkeeping department. I'd like to thank Umelusi. What a teammate. What a brother. You see Zaza, Zoe, Ethan, Tyrone, Thelmans, my coach, Siabonga Mponchan, he came in. What an amazing group. They pushed me hard, they got the better of me. They made me realize a certain part of myself that I didn't think is there. And for them to always believe in me, season in, season out. It's the 4th season now. And I'd like to thank them big time. This is for them. This is for them. This is for the Orlando Pirates family.
Wonderful, well spoken once again. I know you want to go celebrate. Go on. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
That is Sipho Chain, giving credit to pretty much everyone but himself. Record-breaking goalkeeper, record-breaking football club, champions of the Betway Premiership for 2025-26.
phake ukujabula abala phake Orlando Pirates bajabula ke kufanele ngani ngoba season ke iphelile ke ngempela bayiqeda nje bangoshampiyona abala phake eBetway Premiership nangi lapha ke Makhehle Makhawula uya ke ngempela ke ushukumisa lapha ke abalandeli uyabona nje ukuthi ke ngempela usele ke abasekhaya la abuye lapha ke emnyama kodwa manje nje jeqe hayi nalo makhelwane naye ke usasele uJoe Mathola ngivalela kanjani ngaphandle enza nje abe Orlando Pirates enza nje Sanje uye lapha ke Makhehle Makhawula sihlala ke kusasa ke mudlalo leyo lapha ke iCAF Champions League wayo lapha ke iMamelodi Sundowns yiwo ke umdlalo ke ngempela ke enzobe thulela wona ngale kwalokho siyabonga ke ngempela sibe nesizini ke enhle ke ngendlela ke eyisimanga sibonga ke konke amaqembu ahambe ke ephethe Orlando Pirates, Durban City ne-Orlando Pirates futhi ephakamise lapha ke i-league awugazamtshela ugazakhathela bangazithi waze sijabulisa igazi lisegazini forever idlile emnyama idlalile TV Super Sport umhlaba wabanqobi the World of Champions.
I'm a wild, I'm a